Welcome to Introduction to React. My name is Monir. I am here to guide you through how to build a mobile app with React Native. First, little background about me. I am founder of Academic ERP. It's based on school management software. I am also working as a freelancer. Over the years, design and developing to help students learn difficult topics very short amount of time. I developed my own learning for me. I think could be helpful to share. First of the easiest way to learn something is doing the hard way. I have recently developed interesting and hard way. I watch hours of YouTube videos. I receive new tools, gives everything to be a skill developer. I think if you are able to spend time with book and writing code, you will be able to be a skill developer. In this tutorial, I am going to start React Native course. What is React Native? React Native is JavaScript framework developed by Facebook. React Native is allowed to user to use React library to create a native mobile app for Android and iOS. Why React Native? Suppose if you work with the Android Studio, you have to write a code Java for Android. And other thing is that if you want to build app for iOS, you have to write a code Swift. I'm super excited to tell you that you have to write code in one platform, only JavaScript for Android and iOS. That's the scope for developer to save time. Now let's see the installation process of the React Native. This is the React Native development website, and I have to go there, and you can see here is the environment setup, the development environment. You have to check this tutorial because I am going to skip this installation process because I have already installed it in my computers. So if you have any question about the installation process, you can and message me in the comment section so I can help you.